bullet hole right here. Don't worry me too much. Y'all don't want to know how that happens. Once you get to 55, it's gonna be like, no you don't.
It's like that service emission system.
Speed limited to 55. What does that mean? You can't go in front of 55?
Alright, switch to the off position. Continue. Switch to the on position.
I'm coming in hot.
We're showing people how rough this top kick rides. And this has got the motion, like the smooth motion thing. So let's see if we can pick it up.
I'm from South Carolina 56 if you want to test your suspension out.
Oh gosh. You can hear the seat bottoming out.
You just gotta put a little bit more air in it, man.
That's gotta be scary. This big old truck coming behind you and like passing you.
Oh, scary
gosh.
truck. Like some Jeepers Creepers type stuff.
Yeah. Luckily, we are on the way to go meet up with
North Carolina guys.
oh, they're coming from North Carolina? Oh shoot. Yeah, Matt's actually trading in his top kick for a 3500 dually. It's an LML2, so it's a really good deal. He's kind of getting tired of it. We'll get to why he's trading this in a little bit. We're at the meeting spot. That's a different dually. Could have been a dually. I saw a dually, I think. Maybe not. Oh, maybe it wasn't a dually. But it's in the back. They towed it here. Oh, there it is. Dang. They're eyeing on the Kodiak.
Here we go, first test drive. I'm too scared to drive it myself, so I'll let JW drive it.
Yeah, it just feels slow, but it's not tuned or anything. I'm not used to driving a dually.
It definitely takes a little bit of getting used to because you're wider in the back. If you get close to that line on the front, you're like, uh-oh.
God, this turtle is slow. Giving her the beans. It's not too bad. I thought the turbo was spooling up, but it was a semi.
You can't hear the turbo on these 9mm trucks.
Honestly, this truck's, I'm kind of impressed. Like, it's clean. That's a nice trade you guys are doing, I think. Oh yeah, it rides very better than the Kodiak.
Way better than the Kodiak.
Speed limited to 55. What does that mean? You can't go in front of 55?
Maybe we can down this hill. We'll tune it when we get back. That's not bad, dude. I mean, just upgrade the front end to like kryptonite level, put a leveling kit on it, and just let it ride.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Some Boostautoparts tow mirrors.
Definitely get some Boostautoparts tow mirrors because I had no idea that they put different mirrors on the GMCs than the Chevys in 2015.
They do?
Yeah.
They did.
The GMCs, the 2015 GMCs, had maybe it was just like a 15 and a half mile.
Yeah, it's a 15 and a half.
Is that what it is? Oh, so this is a true 15.
Yeah.
So then what else are the differences between a 15 and a 15 and a half? I know like the downpipe.
No, I think they're all the same. Maybe I think the downpipe is different.
And I think the radio doesn't have the Wi-Fi in it.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we tapped out. We tapped out at 55.
She ain't going a cent more.
Nope.
Hopefully we can fix that in a few minutes.
Oh, he told you that though?
Yeah, he told me. I know, right? I hope we turn around soon here, because if not, like, where you leading me to, bro?
I said this is a pretty fair trade, in my opinion.
Yeah.
I mean, this truck's pretty nice. Just need some
both seats on still. This little bullet hole right here don't worry me too much. Y'all don't want to know how that happened. Apparently somebody got a crazy mom in the family or something like that.
I don't know where this dude's going though. Yeah, there's not a place to turn around. Now on the bright side, you won't get a speeding ticket in this because the fastest you can go is a 55.
Unless you're in a 45. It might be a bullet hole. It might just be like a cigarette. That's a bullet hole.
That's well.
I bet you if you pull it out, if you open it up, you can pull the shell out.
Yeah.
Or not the shell, but the round. I bet you that's a bullet hole.
Is there another one? Good God. I was thinking your seat's already tore, so you can do what's it called? Road wire.
Yeah. How crazy you gotta be to shoot up a daggone truck 10 times? Alright, here we go, turn it around. And I'm taking it back. Doo-doo-doo.
It gets better turning radius than my Duramax.
Yeah, mine too.
It doesn't scrub. That's why I went over that turn really slowly. Alright. Going.
Got it.
It takes off pretty fast.
Alright, that's it.
Just once you get to 55, it's
Yeah.
gonna be like, no you don't.
It's like, service emission system.
How the temperature's looking. Can you even do anything since that warning is up there?
Shall find out.
No. That thing, it won't do nothing with that thing up there.
No. That's why once we I checked the coolant hose.
Yeah, I saw you do that. I appreciate that.
And gasket. Tap that guy.
I forgot to bring my Truckmaster checklist.
That guy tried to sell me his dually. He's the LLY that's next to it.
Really?
Yeah, he was like, hey, you can buy it for $16,000. I was like, I might. I opened the hood, and his coolant reservoir was black.
Holy cow.
It was like covered in soot. I was like, no, I'm good.
I mean, you can tell they do some serious towing, and that's why they want that truck right there, because he said he's got something he's trying to pull that's like 36,000 pounds. I was like, all right, brother, it's all you.
When we're in the truck, you forget how big it is. When you're pulling up to a big truck, and then you get out of the truck you had,
Yeah,
you're like, God damn.
Damn, it's small in here. Like, we disappeared. We were last seen in Clinton, South Carolina. All right, whoever finds this camera, let them know. We are still alive. We are survivalists. Down without a fight. And at least 12 bullets. I want to kind of already planned out the order I want to do things in.
Yeah.
Obviously, tuning it and deleting it to get that done. To fix the service, check engine light, and all that other good stuff. And then next was going to be the lift pump, just because I know that will help the CP4 until I'm ready to actually put the CP3 conversion in there.
EDT, every fill up.
Yeah. I need to get with AirDog. If you're watching AirDog, remember me from Rudy's Truck Meet?
And look who showed up with a broken toe.
At least I showed up.
This is CJ from AirDog here with JW.
Hey, it looks like you need new window tint too.
Is there even, are those even tinted? They don't look tinted compared to the back windows.
So Trap, if you're watching this, we're coming.
Yeah, and they're not, you know, at least they're not purple though, so I'm okay.
Oh yeah.
I swear one side looks tinted and one side doesn't.
You know what? That side's tinted. That side's not tinted.
It's lighter than that one.
This side's tinted.
Huh. He only wanted one tinted window so he could see out the mirrors better at night.
Right.
No tint? Tint. Do these mirrors even power fold like on the 15.5s or no?
I don't think so.
No, I don't even, yeah.
The only thing is like power adjust.
Right.
Oh, this is gonna be a much softer ride back home than the Kodiak.
Carlos won't have no more crooks in his neck and his back.
Hopefully that last bump popped back in, not out.
On the headrest back here, there's a bullet hole. There's a bullet hole in the where the C pillar or whatever that pillar's called.
He hasn't brought up the bullet holes until, you know, just now.
I know, right?
He's like, oh yeah, by the way.
Why would your own mama shoot up your truck?
About to load some same-day tuning.
All right, installation of the update to the auto agent was successful. Continue on position. Continue.
That 18 wheeler's not happy.
Oh, he's probably all these lanes are shut down except for one of them.
He's just gonna go for it.
I can't. Best I can do is push the truck and revert in neutral.
Yeah.
I can't drive. It's not working. It's broke. All right, switch to the off position. Continue. Switch to the on position. All right, on. Continue. All right, says the installation was successful.
All right, cool.
Check engine oil, dismiss. Change fuel filter, dismiss. Low fluid, washer fluid low, add fluid. And no more check engine light and no more service depth.
That's crazy.
It was all your idea, brother.
All right, crank it.
Here we go.
Yes.
I wonder why that got so dark. Oh, here we go.
Yes, no check engine light. We're not limited to 55 anymore. Let's go. All right, well, here it is. This is Matt's brand new to Matt. It's a 2015 LML Duramax. We actually just loaded same-day tuning tunes on it. It is non-emission compliant. The reason for that is it was having a code which was related to the EGR valve. It gave a check engine light and it limited the speed to 55. That's why I kept saying I was tapped out at 55 when we were test driving this. So what we did was basically got the tunes already. Matt has an Easy Link right here, so we use the Easy Link. The Easy Link setup is right there. Loaded the tunes, which bypassed all the EGR and all the codes related to it, so the truck is running flawlessly. Only thing is, Matt did order a 5-inch exhaust, which is on the way. And we need to do that within the next couple weeks, just so that way the DPF doesn't get clogged up. But running it like this shouldn't hurt the truck at all, but it is recommended to put the exhaust on it pretty soon. But I think everything checked out, and I think it was a really good trade. I think you came on top.
I definitely came out on the top.
Yeah, I mean, you went from a 04 to a 2015, and it was a really good trade. And I don't know, the Kodiak did look pretty badass driving off.
It did, yeah. It sounds good, it looks good, but it was just getting to the point where it wasn't. I wanted it to be a daily driver, I wanted it to be a tow truck, and I wasn't able to use it for either one of those things for almost 3 months.
Yeah.
So it was like, all right, you know, maybe somebody else can put this thing to better use and I can get something a little bit more practical for what I actually truly need.
Yeah.
So settle on this right here. I mean, it was just out of the wind, put it on Facebook, messaged me, said, what about
Dude, you sold it within like a week.
It wasn't a week, it was like
2 days.
Day.
Yeah.
It was the same day. Like literally put it on Facebook at 5 o'clock.
Same day trade.
By 9 o'clock, he was messaging me saying, what about doing a trade?
Dang.
And I was like, what you got? He showed me pictures. I was like, too good to be true. See the bin, let's run through it. All right, I guess this is legit. We're doing this.
Dude, way cleaner in person than the pictures.
Yeah, the pictures were very
interior needs some work, but
I mean, it's got a couple of like rock chips on the hips of it, but it's nothing that we can't fix now that we know how to properly do
touch up. Yes, sir.
Because I learned, right?
All right.
Yeah.
So we got an hour and a half ride back, and
let's grab some food. Let's set up the Easy Link.
Like, comment, and subscribe.